Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tracy. Today I'm gonna be doing a type of get ready with me, like talking about whatnot, like my life and what's going on, and me getting ready to go do some grocery shopping because we got no food here in the crib. So yeah, and yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, it took me a couple of hours. Yeah, it seems simple and everything, but yeah, it took me a couple hours because I got these. So I got 3 of them, so it took me a while. Anyways, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. I forgot to mention that I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. I should be using a darker one now, but I haven't gone and bought anything. And with this quarantine, hence this is a Fanta. I think this is Fantasy Cosmetics. I mean, that's what it said. I don't know if you guys can see. I believe we're gonna do groceries later because we don't have anything to cut tonight. So this is why I'm actually doing makeup, because I know we're gonna go out. It's like that meme, like, oh, cuando estoy en la casa, and then it's like you just like look like a mess, and then another one it's like, oh, cuando voy a compras, and you look like hella long. Toma esta. So yeah, that's me every day, all day. And now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer with a duct tape customized by my husband, because he gave it to Violetta to play with it when we used to live over there, so I could do my makeup, and she hit it really hard on the floor and it broke, and I was like, I know it's not right and I should buy a new one, but like I'm saying, with this quarantine and also money wise, I don't got money for that right now. So I'm just gonna carve out my eyebrows, okay? So I don't know what shade it is, I forgot. If you look at my old videos, it's the same one I'm using in my old videos. I just don't remember the shade. And also, during the quarantine, everything's happening during this quarantine. Shit. My beauty blender, no, it's not beauty blender, it's the Real Techniques. If we're being technical, it's the Real Techniques sponge. Got fudged up because Violetta would always play with it and like rolled around everywhere, and yeah, so I had to throw it out. I'll be right back because I'm gonna go check on the twins. Maybe they're hungry. Because now they don't quiet down. Usually they just complain a little bit and then they're just like chilling, but now they're actually complaining. So I'm gonna go check on them. Gonna go check on the twins real quick. Using to set my eyelids is the air spun. I forgot where I got it. I think I got it in Target. I'm not sure. So this is the brush I'm gonna use. It's just so cute. That's why I freaking love it. And the quality of it is not even bad, honestly. Okay, back. Like I was saying, these brushes are cute and everything. I love how it has like this. What do you even call this effect? I don't even know, but it does this on the brush. It's just so cool. My boss gave it to me because he has a company, a wholesale company, and yeah, and he had like loads of these return brushes because some of them were damaged and some of them were not, and he was telling me to check on them, like which are damaged and not. And yeah, it was like, oh, these aren't damaged, and he's like, whatever is not damaged you can keep. And I was like, bet. Now I should just keep all of them and then like fix them or something. So oh well. Yeah, so Violetta fudged up my palettes, guys. Well, only this one. They didn't really hurt that bad. It hurt. I had it for a while, so I guess yeah. It just it mostly affected this what shade is that? I don't even know. Hold on, let's check. Meeks. I don't know. Go into this color. What color is that? Let's see. Butter. We're gonna go into butter. Okay, so I'm taking this brush that I showed you guys, the pretty brush, and going into butter. Hold on, I'm gonna check out the twins first. I knew you were gonna come up. Probably an hour or two later. That's why probably it looks a little different. The placements, the lighting, probably, I don't know. So I was debating on Sissy or I think it's SBN. So, but I'm gonna go in with SBN because I don't know. I like it better, honestly. Go with my middle finger, the handy dandy middle finger, and got some of the color. And that SBN on my lids, and I think I'm going a little bit more with, what was it, Roxanne, with this oh, I didn't even tell you guys what brush this was. It's Biotic, I don't know. Number 013. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with, done blending out, I believe. I'm gonna go in with Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Mega Liner, and just make the line and try to do a little triangle thingy right there. And then I go in with L'Oreal Paris Telescopic. Yeah, my friend gave me this for like a present. I forgot. I think she uses, that's why she was like, oh. I used what's it called? What is this called? Japonize? Oh yeah, I don't know. Whatever. It's this brand. I don't know if you guys can see it. It just feels like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, that's the brand of the eyelash color. It's Tartiest. This this. Alright, so I already did that with the Tartiest, and now I'm gonna go in with a Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. I used this before, the Luminous Primer Base Lumiere from Dr. Bandit. So we're gonna use the L'Oreal Paris infallible pour matte pour matte. I scratched you. So I'm gonna use this oh wow, I have a Bare Minerals brush. I didn't even know that. So I'm gonna go with this brush. It's a perfecting face brush, I guess. I don't know. It has like this thing where you're supposed to put like, I guess, the foundation in here. This is why when I don't have a beauty blender or whatever it's called, don't have it, so now I have to use it. at the last bit. Using the contour palette, contouring palette, what? From Wet n Wild. With a BMX 130 pointed brush. With this brush, another of this brush, it looks like this. Yeah, along with this brush, I'm gonna go into old Morphe palette, the 350, the 350 palette. And yeah, that's about it. I'll show you guys the lip color afterwards. Gonna go check on these girls because honestly, I'm just done. I'm just done. I can't with these girls, to be honest. It's hard. Oh shoot! Look at that shit. I ain't like estresada. Oh fuck. Ignore the what's it called music in the background. Anyways, so this is the final outcome of my. Actually, I think this is gonna be my everyday type of fast, easy shit. Took a while, but it's pretty simple, to be honest. My lips, what I'm wearing, both of them are from NYX. I put 2 lip colors. I'll put it in the description below, or if not, I'll insert a picture of it. I just don't have it with me right now because I'm with this girl. We're gonna go downstairs to my mom's house and wait for my husband so we could go buy food. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy.